Hi, garden rebels. A change of season, a change of weather. But first, I want to talk about ice cream. More particularly, frozen yogurt. Have you ever been to one of those frozen yogurt places like Peach Wave or Menchie's? They're really a neat place. You can go up to the counter, you pick up your container, the size of container you want, and then against the wall there's lots of different flavors of frozen yogurt, and there's an amazing array of frozen yogurts. I love the Tart Plain. I think it's called Tart Plain. It's the best. Anyways, you pick out the flavor of yogurt that you like, frozen yogurt, and you scoop up or you dispense as much as you want, and then you get up to the toppings bar, and this is when it can get quite exciting. Lots of things to choose from. There's fresh fruit all nicely cut up and they look so beautiful. There's all kinds of sweet things. There's gummy bears and M&Ms and sprinkles and all kinds of things, and you say, yes, some of that. Oh, yes, some of that. Yes, some of that. And you end up having a bowl full of very varied flavors. Of course, it's going to start raining. I'm not complaining about the rain. I actually enjoy the rain. We just change our rain gear, and the outside is exactly the same. Anyways, going back to the frozen yogurt. Why am I telling you this story? Is because after choosing the flavors of yogurt that we like, after choosing all of the toppings that we like, we get down to that moment of truth. And here it is while the selection of flavors of yogurt was exciting and the selection of toppings was exciting, it doesn't necessarily mean that what we chose was really the best tasting. So today I like to go over a window box with actually a very streamlined approach, so that perhaps this might give you an idea if you're planting your window box, if you're planting your next fall winter hanging basket, that you end up with a flavor, a look that is just what you wanted. So let's get started. just an idea. Doesn't have to be complicated, and it might just give you the flavor that you love. Guys, that's the show for the day. Always live your passion. Tart flavor, I'm telling you, tart.